In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start your own dropshipping business on Wix. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you step by step how you can get started and how you can pretty much build your own Wix dropshipping store. So first of all, you want to go to Wix and make sure that you sign into your account and go to Site Actions and then click on Edit Site, which will then send you over to this page. Alright, so what is dropshipping exactly? So dropshipping is the process and a business model where a customer is going to buy a product on your web shop. You're then going to buy that product once the customer has actually ordered it at your supplier. The supplier will then send it directly over to your customer without you having to touch it and without you having to physically see the product, which is pretty cool. You're then going to pocket the difference. So once you are on Wix, you want to make sure to create a store account. So you want to make sure to go to My Store and actually set this up. Once you've done all of that, you want to click on Add Apps. You'll then go to the Wix App Market, where you can click on Search Apps, and then if you search for dropshipping, dropshipping, you'll find Monolist, Spocket, and Printify. So these are a couple of options you have. I like to go with Spocket, US and EU dropshipping. You can also go with the other ones, but I only have experience with this one, which is why I'm going to choose on Spocket. So you want to install this. As you can see right there, I've already got it installed on my store, but you want to install this on your store. You can read more about the app on here if you want to, but I'm just going to open it for now. That's what you want to do as well once you've got it installed on your Wix account. So this is basically a supplier, and you can use these products to dropship. So if I just get rid of this, we can go to search products and we can find a ton of products that we can start dropshipping with. So all of these are products that you can use to dropship. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to filter this and I'm going to show you how that works. So you can filter for USA shipping under $5, fast USA shipping, premium, shipped from EU, and shipped from USA. So what I like about Spocket is that they ship from the USA and also from the EU. So shipping delivery times are way better than AliExpress, for example, or the other platforms out there. And you can filter on that as well. So if you click on filters, as you can see right there, you can search for United States, for example. So let's say I only want to do US shipping. I can then select 1 to 3 days, which is really good. Like, that's fast shipping. You can filter that and you can then click search. So you can filter on these products and you'll find products that ship in the US within 1 to 3 days. And that's what I really like about this specific program, because you can just filter it and 1 to 3 days is really good shipping time, especially when drop shipping. So all you need to do basically is find the product that you would like to start dropshipping with. So for now, let's just assume that I want to start dropshipping. Let's see. So it doesn't really matter which product you're going to choose, but all you need to do is click on Add Import List if you want to get started with that product. It will then show up right here in the import list where you can pretty much start using and selling it. The orders will then come through here in the My Orders tab. You can also click on My Products to find all of your products. And it's pretty simple, it's pretty convenient, and this is what I recommend to start your dropshipping business on Wix. So if you would like to get started with this, you can pay for the monthly or the yearly pricing plan. So as of right now, you can get started with the starter plan for just $19 a month, and the other plans are a bit more expensive. So I recommend just starting with the $19 a month one if you're just going to get started. And if you want to build your own business, then that's not too bad, because this gives you the opportunity to start making a lot of money online if you do it correctly, of course. But like I said, this is probably the best app and the best platform to start dropshipping on Wix. So yeah, that's what I recommend, building your Wix dropshipping business. You can also go with the other platforms. Like I said, you can also go with the other dropshipping ones if you want to, but I'll leave that up to you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much what I would do. If this quick guide helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments down below and I'll try and get back to you. And then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.